Hello, good day. I'm going to share with you on the cryptocurrency for the next 1 to 2 weeks. So let's go. So what happened last week is Bitcoin have dropped from its zone around 58 or 59,000 as low as near to 53k. So the fear and greed, that is the indices measuring the Bitcoin retail, the masses fear or greed, have go into the lowest since early 2023. After the price drop, of course, the news came out and talked about what is the reason, and one of the reason given was German government is selling their Bitcoin. However, I mean the real reason is not known, of course, to the masses. The news what they reported is after the fact. So therefore, I think it's also more important to look back into the chart. So let's see the list of coins that I'm investing. You will see that I have made some adjustment because of the price movement in Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin have a sudden fall that breaks certain of the indicators, I will move my position more into the stronger coin. So looking into the coin invested, now I'm roughly around 3% above the original invested amount, and that is very small. Whereas the higher return in March was about 106%. So with the changes in the price movement of the cryptocurrency, I think there's a need also to fine tune my strategy as I go into the second half of this 2024. So let's look into the Bitcoin price action. This is a weekly chart. As you can see, Bitcoin have dropped below one of the moving average support, and now it's around 57, 58,000. The If the trend weaken, then of course the support at 50,000 will be retest again. By looking at the weekly chart and comparing to the historical, I think it's more or less at a point that Bitcoin have to stabilize based on the historical data. So if that fall through, Bitcoin probably will stabilize before it come with the next price action. So a support at 50,000 area have to hold, and the resistance is probably around 64,000. If Bitcoin is able to break above 64,000, then the uptrend continuation will still continue, and that means it will give some relief to altcoin and also to Ethereum as well. So let's look into the Ethereum chart, and you can see that the green block consolidation in May. So it consolidated for a while, and then there's a sudden movement up to the higher level above 3,500. But interestingly, if you look into this volume will probably build up by retailer who heard about the Ethereum ETF news. Follow with that, there was a distribution volume which is of nearly equal the size, a high volume, and probably this distribution volume of holder who actually know that Ethereum price will not be sustained around this level. So I was quite cautious about Ethereum, and I'm just doing some DCA around this region. So when Ethereum fall below 3,500, I have sold some of my long stock of my Ethereum around 3507, and now Ethereum is back to this support region in May. So the long-term support region is in the blue zone, and for Ethereum to become stronger, I think Bitcoin have to be stronger as well, and then they have to break above the 3,300 to 3,400 region. So I would think that 19th of July will be a good time for me to gauge the pricing of Ethereum and also as well as Bitcoin. So next, let's look into the total tree. This excludes both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you look into the total tree weekly chart, the last round when it breached the first moving average, it cut the second and third as well, and then it went into a long 1.5 year of consolidation phase. So as of today, the total tree have cut the first moving average. So in order for it to still maintain the current altcoin pricing, you have to retain the support that's in the blue zone. And hopefully by 19 July, if Bitcoin and Ethereum do have a strong rebound, then I will believe that the total tree will also rebound as well and give a lot of relief to the altcoin. holder. So let's look into one important factor. In the crypto market is a 4-year cycle, and always is before and after the halving. There is some price phenomena that is always abide to. So this time around, before the halving, we already have one ramp. So basically, that is one differences that we see from this round versus the previous round. And with this ramp itself, we also have a cutting of the moving average. So in order for the altcoin season to continue, that means the confidence level is not really breached and destroyed. Then the continuation of the altcoin price ramping up or recovery have to come in the next 2 to 3 months. So that is a very important factor to look at. So I hope you like my sharing. So please do subscribe and like and share with your network, and also tell me what do you think about the crypto market and the altcoin season as well. Trade with care, and thank you. Bye bye.